Hello guys, hello my people. How you guys doing? I hope you guys are doing well. For me, I am good. I am good. I'm fine. I hope you guys are well. You guys are okay. Thank you. I hope you guys are taking good care of yourself and the kids are doing well. So today's video, we're going to talk about a few things. There's a video I left in my page about a guy in Germany that talk about the way they take their kids from them. Okay, but I'm coming. I just want to share this thing on my Facebook. So the guy talk about it. Sorry. So the guy said something about it, but I decided to share it because that when I watch it, so it's one of my followers that sent me, hey Rakol is good evening. That's my big brother. So somebody sent me the video to see to talk about it. Although many ladies have been asking me to talk about it, to talk about look at what is happening in Germany, the way they take their kids from them. But actually, I don't want to really talk about it. But when I see this guy on, I decided to go for more research because me, I'm not a talk. I don't teach what I don't know. Okay, so I decided to go for more research so that I can have a lot of things to talk about. Okay, so I decided to go for more research to check things to see what is happening, and I still believe that this thing can still help each and every one of us today. Before we leave our country or go to another country, it's good for us to go for more research to know how is that country. So I'm going to say a few things about what is happening in Germany. Why are they taking their kids from them? Sometimes those journalists they really say the truth. If you go you go to this thing, what they call it, you go to Google, you go for more research, you will see there is story there. So there are a lot of story there that you will see that those journalists sometimes they go. What has been happening has been happening for a long time in Germany. Okay, it's not only by because we are Nigerians. Nigeria, they always take Nigeria children. That's what many people feel because they take Nigeria. It's not only Nigeria children, but Nigeria children is very common due to the things that is happening. But I'm going to name a few things what I found for my research. Why Germany are taking the kids from those women. Okay, so I'm coming. I'm going to name a few things. Let me just say hello to people on my Facebook. You understand? So I'm going to name a few things because when this guy come out, he said that they take the first child and they take the baby. Our wife just give birth to a baby, and the woman was arrested. So I was really surprised. How can a woman be arrested? I don't understand that. It's not possible. You understand? The woman is not a criminal. She did not do anything wrong. How can they just arrest the woman? So this is where I come in. Okay. Hello everyone. So this is where I come in. So when I go for research, it was but the other one was blocked. But I will still see, I will still tell you guys what I found there. You understand? I will tell you guys what I found there. But the other, the seat, that place, the Germany people lock it, so they don't want to explain more. You understand? Because it's something like a secret that they are hiding for people. You understand? But if you are a wise person, I believe that this message I'm going to share, if you live in Germany or you have a sister live in Germany, you're going to take few ones and send it to them, or let this my video go viral because many people live in Germany. They don't go for research. They don't know what is happening in that country. It's very important that the country you live, you should ask questions. Go for more research. Even Google will lie. Google will not say everything, or we say things, but sometimes in Google you can also find the truth. What is happening in your country? Now, what are the problems? Why are they taking? What make them to really take kids away from about for parents? One, what I found there, a father and mother who is not working. So if you live in Germany, that you and your husband or you and your baby father, because most of them are single mom, that you are not working, you are a problem. You are a problem. Germany is a place. Germany believe in riches. Germany, they are very rich. They don't want people to come to their country and collect and not giving them. Those things make Germany people to be angry. Today, many black don't know that. I will explain to you why. When we came to this country, actually, before you now have a document, maybe you take like 1 or 2 years. After they give you document, I'm telling you guys the truth, it's for you to go and work. The money when you chop for that 2 years, you need to pay them back. How can you pay them? It's for you to work. That's your tax that you are paying for them. I work. My salary, they remove 300 and something euro for my salary every month. That's the tax I pay for government. If they pay me, but later I know still pay me. Because I will still remember that when I was not working, those money, that was the people's money they used to give to me. So now even though they take 300 and something euro for my salary, I don't feel it because I know that was the money that people used to give to me. That was people's salary. That was people what they sweat for. That's the money that were giving me. So my own money today that I work, me, I don't have anything. Government don't give me money. I don't have any benefit for government. So if they are taking mine now to give to people, I understand. So Germany is like that. So when Germany give you money, you now have document. It's for you to go and work so that you can support them. Because if they are giving you the way they are giving everybody, nobody is working, money will not come to that country. And those things, they make Germany people they mad. So if you are a father and a mother, you are not working, you depend on government, you depend on social money, your life, the life of your children are at risk because they're going to take those children from you. Why? Because they believe that you cannot take care of them. They believe you cannot take care of those children. But I'm coming for that. They believe that you don't have that opportunity as a parent to give that child a good life. And that is true. So the money that government is paying you, it doesn't mean that, because sometimes government, people even ask us, how can you manage 600 euro? How can you manage 700 euro? In Germany, they believe that if you are not working, you are in a poverty. Because so the many people don't know the benefit of working. When you are working, you have many chances, not because you're going to see the money now, in a time to come, and in the time for the future of your children as well. Because when your children are going to school, going to university, those things, those things you even support for the government too, it can still help you tomorrow. Mama, okay, good afternoon. So Germany don't like people coming to their country, having babies, you don't give them. You born one pikin. After 2 years, the pikin never reach 2 years, you don't born another one again. Why are you rushing? And you don't even have documents, Seth. Why don't you wait? Let your child grow up and get documents and work. When you work maybe like 2 years or 1 year before you born that pikin. And the most, when you go to where people are, why I don't want to talk about this message, but I will still tell this guy what this guy is going to do. Because I dropped the video on my platform. You understand? I'm going to tell them what, if you have money pool in Germany now, those people that they have collected their children, many of them are not working. So if you are a parent, you are a father and a mother, you don't work, you stay at home waiting for government money, they are going to collect all your children. Now, so if they go and search it, not me talking, it's go. They will collect all your children for you because you don't deserve to be you're not a better parent. Now make us suffer today in Africa. So German people, they know that if you are a parent, you don't work, mother and father, you don't work, you cannot give your children to Dabaru because they cannot even go to school. You understand? So today, many people in Germany, many mothers, they are collecting their children, they are not working. They are not working. So now let's leave father and mother. So father and mother, if you can watch this video today, you live in Germany, you must work. That's the only way your children's life can be secure in your hands so that they will not take it from you. So if you are a parent, you don't work, they eat government money, your pikin never reach 1 year, you don't bother pikin follow on. My dear, I pity for you. That is just the risk that you guys have in Germany. So when you see people that are collecting their children now, their children only reach 1 year. Their children only reach 2 years. Their children only reach 5 years. You cannot wait for 5 years or 3 years for you to work and still give the government. Why are you taking? You cannot be taking for people you don't give them. So that's why I said, when me come, now people give me. People work and take care of me and my children, feed us. I was not working. After my children, after having my son, 2016, I started looking for work. I start working. So in life, that is it. So when you come to a country, when God bless you with documents, the first thing for you to do is for you to go and look for a job. Many people, they have been in a country, Germany or France or this message can still help everybody. Maybe you are in Germany, you are in France, you are in any country where you have spent there for 10 years, 20 years, you never work. But you're grown up children. Your children's life is a risk. Maybe they never knock for your door, collect your children. You as a parent, you need to work. Not because of you for only yourself, for the government, and for your children, and for yourself. Because when you are working, you both believe when you are working, you are responsible. When you are not working, you are irresponsible mother. Now, so Germany people feel say that una be. That is why they are taking your kids away from you. Because most of them, they don't work. Most of them get document, they don't work. You understand? So that's the one thing. Number 2, single mom. Now, single mom, now I converse Germany pass. Let me just tell you guys the truth. Single mom, the disadvantage of a single mom in Germany, I will just tell you guys the truth. I'm not the one that say it. When I go for more research, so I pick out those 50 things. So let me share it for you people. So in case people are coming out crying for that, so you guys should know, ask yourself that question. If all those things I'm saying, if it's true. If you guys have heard about a woman that is working, except the woman is working, maybe she's smoking, they drink. She's smoking, she's drinking, she's misbehaving, she lock her kids at home. That's where they can collect their kids. But if you are a woman that you don't smoke, you are working, you are a responsible mom, it's very hard for government to come to your house and collect your child. It's very, very hard, except you beat the pikin. The pikin went to go and report to the police. That is when your child can leave you. Hey, Stativi, good evening. Yes, that is the only way they can come and collect your child. So if you are a woman that is working, it's very hard for the government to come to your home, or you can't born. I born my 2015 that time. Even though I never get work. Now let 2 children double for France here. But they still give me the chance. And when you see, they see small gap. That one did 2 years when I born. You understand? But they find work. There was a place where they used to look for work in France here. And they always go there every month. I always mark. Because I was looking for a job. But they did not take me because I don't speak French. If I speak French, after my friends, they laugh me. Maybe I'm okay. I will carry Italian. I will speak Italian and French together. But I did not see a job. Till they said I must go for information. Information, they call it agent propriété. Information of cleaning. That clean is not only to clean house. So we can work in the airport. We can work in the train. We can work in everywhere. We can do everywhere. Till I went to that information, I can't get my diploma for that thing. Now there I can't see work. I can't see work fast. So you understand? So they know that I'm looking for a job. So when I had my baby, I bought my pikin. I carry enter house. So since that time when I bought my pikin, nobody come knock my door say give me your children. So Germany people today, most women in Germany, they don't look for job. I did not stay in Germany. Not be station. I went for a visit in Germany. And I see a lot of women in Germany. They don't work, most of them. Many of them have documents. They don't work. They always wait for that money. But that money can kill you. They are giving you that money to buy your own children. Why are they buying your children? Because they know that you are not capable as a mother to take care of your children. So as a single mom, not even worse past. Single mom, you need to work. Because you tell her you don't have a husband. And many single moms feel that if I want to work now, I'm a single mom now, but I'm working. I do 35 hours every week. 35 hours. Because when you are a single mom, the life of your kids are very risk. If you live in all those countries when they give help, your life of your children is risk. Because you as a mother, you need to work. You need to work. That is what Germany said. So most single mom in Germany, they know they work because they say, go my pikin. See, if you pay nearly 200 euro and go to work, you are not wasting those things. So, when you are working, you take the government high away from your face. When you are working, you remove the people high, government high from your face. They will not say you there among. There was a day the government sent me a paper of my, if I hold, I'm not sure they call it pension. And I was very happy when I see that paper of pension. You mean government, they recognize me that, you the pay tax. Hey, Mama Desmond, good afternoon. You understand? So the government write me that letter to tell me that don't worry. Because to collect 300 of my salary, not be small money. If they pay me sometimes, but I see the paper say, the people first give me. So government write me and tell me that the tax you are paying, the money we are collecting for your salary, is not waste. It's there in my cupboard. That is not waste, that if you hold, they will pay you your money back. That is, when I see that paper, I was happy to see that government recognize me, say, money when they collect, I swear when they work, they know say I really work. And when they bring my tax, this when they pay my declaration for a year, when I see money when I work safe, they give me joy. So you as a single mom, when in Germany, you need to work. Don't depend on the government money, because if you depend, and when you depend on it, you are not working, and your children will reach 1 year. Your children will be 6 months, you don't born another one again. The government are asking themselves, now picking this one called a born, Germany they are not looking for babies. Not let me tell you say government Germany are looking for children. Go for research. Go and look out for Google. Germany said, let me just say the one with the point. When I see, Germany said, Germany mothers go back to work, full-time work. They're not saying you go work 2 hours. So that's what Germany said. But I'm coming for that. The Germany said, as a single mom, as a parent, you must do 30 hours. 30 hours. But Germany, mostly black women for Germany, they're not the work. Now few ones they work for Germany. No matter the money when they go pay una. If you say they pay you, they will cut the money. Let them cut it. Let them cut it. When I even they collect government money, government never give me 1,000 before. Except when I need my this is my last baby. So government never give me 1,000 for all my money. Never. So money when they receive, say pass money when government they give me. Even though say I will not get enough benefit again. Maybe like this December money, they not will give me. Last year they did not give me the December money. But I don't care. But I'm working, they give me joy. And government appreciate that. It give me respect. So no social will come my house now. I don't have business. If I say maybe I have problem for some documents, I'll go to social say I beg, help me for this, let me call them. Social cannot come to my house say, Madam, I want to carry your pikin. For what nonsense is that? Except I give you the right to come to my house. That is when you can enter my house. So when you know that government is not giving me money, so you now said you want to come to my house and carry my children. For waiting. We will go that court. But why many Nigerians don't have that power, or many blacks don't have that power to fight the white in Germany? Because you don't have the right, because you are not working. Now so they go. The Germany said you people should go to work. Una know they work, una they collect their money, which they don't want, and those life of those children are not safe in your hand. You guys are having those children in poverty. That's what they said. Not me talking, it's go. You understand? So my brother, you that come outside to talk about the collect of children, I feel your pain. But are you working as a man? Is your wife working? And when you show that picture of that baby, I think that first one herself never even grew. You understand? I don't know if Aduro people you can work with Aduro people in Germany. You understand? But before you have baby, when one of those you're not born already, you need to wait, give gap. Look for a job. Because I believe if you are working, it's going to be difficult for somebody, for a social or government to come to your home to collect your child. Because that's what they state in Google. Those things they write, sometimes it's those journalists, they want to interview them. So those journalists will come put on for Google. You understand? But you know what, they block it. So now let's go. They say single mom, you need to work. As this one at Germany women, if you are a single mom in Germany, you need to listen to this. If you don't believe me, go for research. Put it in Google why Germany are taking the kids from their mother. Google will tell you why they collect children from una hand. Go for research. I'm not afraid for what I'm saying. Go and put it in Google. State it in Google. Google will tell you why they collect una pikin for Germany. Because you guys are not working. You understand? But I will tell you why. I'm coming. They say single mom, you need to work at least 30 hours per week in a week. For many single parents, 40% they are living in the poverty. So mostly 40% in Germany, single parents, they live for poverty. Yes, of course. Una all carry food. Una go stay for like carry food. You don't think I carry those food rich now? Now when I work, when I do my hair husband, I go to carry food. Since I leave my house, it's 3 years now, but it's 3 years when I leave I know they go carry food, they give where they carry. For them side they both put. And they manage the one where they collect. So now so people don't know they get for those their hand again. But the one where they sweat put so I feel the manager. 3 years ago now I carry food rich. That I will not even get money. You understand? So you go carry food. You go the follow go the drag clothes. They go look your life. You as a parents. Now those things you go take leave, take train your children. You go carry food. You go carry clothes. You go to beg money. You go to beg check. They don't know you for everywhere. Those are the things why they are hungry. They collect your children for you. Because when you are working, self, you don't even get time. Even though the money not go rich, but you don't get time. Even the card they give you to collect the food, self. I give my neighbor that have 6 children. Not because I took get the money. Oh, there is no time again. When I go work, I go around 12. I come back around 6, around 4. I go back again around 8. Come back around 9:30. So I want to go carry food. There is no time for me to pick food. So that is it. So you as a mother, you need to work. Or if you are working, you'll be busy. Even though not because the money big, but you will not have that time again to do all those things. So they say single mom, you must work. You need to work. That is Germany that said that in Google. At least 30 hours in a week. You understand? Because in Germany, they said there are 40% parents when they did poverty. When you see the children, the government in Germany, they are taking your children away from you so that make those children they not live in poverty. Where they stay, I live in estate for my city here. Most of you that know. When you come this my estate, you go see many children. Then they say market. Why? Because the parents not plan for them. The parents never work. Then they collect only this money. You get where pikin go grow rich. Get where pikin go grow rich. You as a parent, you could not give your child a good thing that he wants. The pikin go want find the whole thing. Me don't tell my children this. I say when you are my son now by 8 years now, my son will be 8 years. I'll be 8 till 7 years. They go before it go be 20 years. I told him when you are 17 years of France now, 17 years you can walk. I say even though say na McDonald's, even though say na anywhere, telephone call. Now you want go work. That's not your destiny. But you need to go and work to be a man, to get something where you go to collect more change first. Because me, I'm not going to buy you everything again as a man. That does not mean that will change his destiny. No. You understand? Because he knows say me as a mother they work. So he go want do something like more. My mother they work. My mother they stay house. Why I not go feel hustle for myself? So Germany people, you as a mother you're not working, you not get good example for your child. You don't have good thing for your child that is coming up. So the German people said, single mom or parents, if you are not working, the life of your child is not secure in your hands. Because your child is going to grow up in a poverty. which they don't want a child to grow up in poverty. Because when pikin grow up in a poverty, he go fit do everything to he go fit do it. If they see they go give am bomb, say make he kill everybody to collect money, the child will do it. So now let's go further. He said they live, 40%, of those people, they live in poverty for a period of time. They stayed there for a very long time. And if you go Germany, sometimes if I go Germany, you go see some children. Not be see the amount they give them. The money they give them, don't they use and take off those children where? They go use the money to do their own thing, do osusu, do what do they call them? Do club. They go wear fine clothes, but their kids, they can't even maintain their kids. They go to school, they'll be rough. You understand? And government, they look all those things. Children, they look children for school. You understand? So that is why. He said, but most single mom are not working. They are not working. And a child, when you grow up in poverty, they have few friends. Now, some people talk. Picking when their parents not get money, and I true they talk. I don't know if you even know this one. Picking when their parents not get money, they know they two get friends. Their friends, now small friends, now they follow them. When you come for a rich, or not say rich, you get good friends. You still get friends when you dey on top. But when you come from a home where you not to get money, friends will see they follow. Now few friends will not still get like you. So the Germany, they are taking those kids away from those. They are taking those kids away from you because you don't have a better future for those children. Now what did they talk for go? Not be me talking. So I decided to share this on my people out there, mostly the single mom when they Germany, because now me still be. You understand? I work my viewers. My mothers how they work. I don't say it hard. Sometimes when I pay babysitter for children, they pay me. But if in Africa, my mother there, I say, mommy, take care of that, I don't go work. But abroad, they hard to train children. But my message here is not for me to discriminate people or to be hungry for you women. I know say most of them don't know. You understand? But this man, let me just tell this man first. My brother, there's nothing you cannot do. There's nothing you can do. If you go and meet lawyer now, those children, they are not going to give it to you. But your wife, I don't know why they arrest your wife. Most of you see that video in my platform. I don't know why they arrest your wife. You understand? But your children, they are not going to give you those children for now. The only way, just keep those pictures for one corner. If you have document, go and get a job. They will give you your child when you are working. When you began to work as a man, if your wife dey prison, they first take care for your wife, make the fit carry your wife come out. If your wife dey prison, make she find how she go take work for inside prison, for example. Those are the two things. If you are working, your wife are working, the government don't have the right to hold your child because they know that you are capable. Even though say na 1,000 you dey work, but you must do 35 hours. Full-time work, now they say make una dey do, not be part-time work. Not be 3 hours work, full-time. Now they define, now what did they put for Google? They say Germany mothers go to work, go back to work, full-time work. Now they say make that they do. Because Germany mothers, they are not working. I don't know about the Igbo, but the most black I know, they are not working. Money and that you go sit there for zero. They drop bag everywhere. They buy. What do they buy? What now clothes when I come back for abroad. There will always be time for you to buy all those things. So when you are working, you are taking the government eyes away from your life. You know, consign. But when they are giving you money, they want to consign. That make I tell you one story. You can't get one day, what you happen, self? People are saying now, if you are working in France, so if they pay your salary, you see have some payment they give you. They call it a prime activité. Prime activité means if you are working, so this government, they will assist you. Because of that tax that they collect, so they be like say they pay you something join that your salary. So they come when I calculate my money, the money is small. So I can't write them. I say, why? What do they pay me? Not be so supposed to be. Not supposed to. I get 4 children. We're not supposed to put join my premium activity. When I write the message now, say they reply me quick. They reply me. They don't even do 2 days. They reply me. They even say sorry. Now to they mistake the calculation. But if not before, they're not going to even mind me. They're even begin me first. And when I go somewhere, go face them. Maybe something come my way. Like they send me one letter where I not like. When I go meet them, I feel they talk. When I talk to them, I know they fear. Because I know that they have nothing to give me. I'll tell them, if they give, I they support the one that they work, not somebody they work, and they support the economy of this country. If me no work, say my own money self don't make economy come that small. So if I they talk, I know they fear because I they bold to talk to them because I they contribute for the country. So you as a parent, they collect a child. What do you want tell judge? So my brother say would they give you lawyer? Nobody go fit help you. There is no presenter go fit help you. No lawyer can help you. The only way you can help, only one fit help yourself, go and get a job first. But if you are working I don't know if you are working. I don't know you. I did not call you, but I see the video. It pains me. But when they send it to me, I decided to go for more research to use this one to help many people in Germany. Okay? Because many people they come and they talk about, don't they go for research. Me, I don't fit talk with me not see for Google. I don't fit talk with you, I don't know. You understand? But when I go for research, I see the reason why. Because many people ask that question: why are they taking kids away from Germany? Why are they taking children away from women in Germany? Ask those women if they are working. Are they working class mothers? Most of them they're not married, they're single mom. But now man they give them belly. The man where they give you belly, the man they work. You they work. Those are the things. Because if you are not working, how can you give a lie? How can you take off a child? You cannot take off a child. Because God we won't believe say papa and mama they take off picking. Even though say God may go assist you, but you as a parent, you must be capable to be a father. You must be capable to be a mother. That's why you did Bible. You don't give baby when you are not ready. You don't have a child when you don't have the money to take off children. And what I tell my children when they say, don't carry belly give girl. Because me no go carry. I will not use a way to train your children. Before you want to pregnant woman, you must be ready to be a father. You must have the money to take care of a pikin. Me no go buy you pass. Except I go back on dash and say, this is not my gift. Say you can't carry belly, can't give girl for me. I don't know. So that is life. So you as a man, before you start giving baby, you must have something doing. It doesn't mean that you must have document. There are many men that do black job in Germany. You understand? Even though you can test yourself, a black job I they do, but I not get document. When some government even sit down and say they impress to see say they do black job. It go impress, they say, this man really the hustle. If you don't say no, if you give a document, you go do more. But many people in Germany today, they are not doing that. So when you guys are coming and crying for your children, they pay me. But sometimes you guys to tell the world what is happening. What are you guys not doing in Germany? So that's why I have to go for more research to look for this. So if you are in Germany, you are a single mom, you are not working, just go and look for a job now. Go and look for a job. Except maybe only one picking you get, you never born second one. So when you born second one, because picking when they born for hospital now money safe. The gesture they will give you for you know how much when I born picking, you know how much they say I go pay before. Because I even come 3 months before I go find their hospitality this thing B. So we are not pay. Now government can't pay. And you know how much. So they give you free this thing for hospital. So you can't born one. You never reach one, you don't carry that belly. Second one, you carry again, you born another one. Third one, you carry again, you born. You have 5 kids in Germany. You have 6 kids in Germany. You never work one day to give government 200 euro. They go first collect your children for you because they believe you don't know the value of children. So that is what is happening in Germany. So when you are coming out as a parent, you are crying for your children. First of all, you need to explain yourself. Are you working? Since you get to Germany, what have you been doing? Are you working? So say I don't get document. But if you don't have document, there are a lot of things you can do as well. There are black jobs in Germany. Even though the person give you document, you don't go tell the same a person give you. You go tell the same a black job they do. But they collect money for the black job. You understand? There are a lot of ways. And if you get better social, they can still help you to fight documents. So you go to Germany, you are not working, you are collecting their money. Germany hate her. Go see her. Germany hate her. They carry hatred for now. Their belly, they black like shako for inside for now. That means they vex, they take those children for now. Like this man. How can a baby that was born, you say the pikin break leg. Which pikin they break leg for belly? Even I know say some children they get the bone not straight. Because that's why if you have a baby, they have to do echography for leg. Most of them are mothers when they watch me. Me, they do my children. They will do echography for leg. They will do echography for all body, for leg. Mostly leg, if a pikin will go feel waka. You understand? That is what they do. And when they say thing they're not correct your children for you because it's not your fault. They're going to give you treatment, take you to maybe to do the pikin operation. We not pray for all those things for our life. Okay, but it do happen. When I do my son, they say yes, no problem, go feel waka. So my children never get those kind of problem. But I have seen many people that have those kind of problem before. So that will not be the reason for them to take your children away from you. So my brother, my question here, are you working? Is your wife working? Una fe have first pikin. Maybe una not work. That one they feel accept time because that was your first pregnancy. You wanna carry on. But when you born first pikin for Germany, you need to look for documents. You need to work. I get friend when they Germany, she have a baby. When she have baby, she said, bless, I not go born again for now. I need to go work because if I born join this one, say I not work, they'll call my pikin. She was very intelligent. How she tell no? She go search. So don't go to a country where you don't know what is happening in that country. So me, I will advise people all over the world, before you are going to any country, go for research. Go and know. They call it equity. They call it their culture. Go and read their culture. Read their law. Germany get law. Because we blacks, we don't obey the law. Likewise France here. France too, they collect children. But I never hear say because mothers not the work, sha. France too, they collect children. Somehow. You understand? But For you as a parent, it's better you work. France no even put and say you must work 30 hours. France no even put and say you must work. But Germany state and say you must do 30 hours per week. But you see how Germany be. So you as a single mom, my advice for you, if you are a man, a woman, you are living, una don't declare so be papa and mama. My brother, make una go find work. Make una find work. That's the only thing that can save your children from you. If not so, they go collect all their children for hand for Germany. But now they blame them. Because Germany knows if you know they work, you know if you take care of children. What about if government did not give you money? Now what you they think right from time they take people when they work. If government not gonna give you money, your husband not get, you not get. How not take feed on our children? Una go thief. Now make government they carry children for our hands. Una go carry gun, collect for back for road. Because government is not going to give you money. What happen that day now? COVID is not now. So they're not COVID-19. I said this is not, but they call French. Okay, now what happen that day? I say government say money not there again, not pay everybody. What you will go do? It me where they work say it affect me. Oh, I not go lie. It affect me. Because when we they collect, I can't even force to call bank say, I beg, that money where they keep, if I remember, gonna give me 200 for inside. Money where they keep, where they collect, you know they finish. You go finish. So imagine say government not gonna pay us that time. We not gonna get money. How we go do our life? So if you are a parent that is not working, so now waiting, Germany they help una now for una future time to come. May una children not become nuisance in Germany. That's what they are trying to say. Because they don't want nuisance. They don't want children will become a problem to their life. So if you are a parent today, I don't say this message go vex any people will like her. But if you are a wise person, you did Germany or you did anyway, you need to pick something from inside. You understand? You need to pick something out of inside. So if you are a wise person, you are a wise man, you are a wise woman, you need to work. You know me say you must get life contract. Work, because when you are working, it gives you respect. It give you, they take the eyes of government away from your life because you are not depending on them. You don't be like God who will depend on. God know they verse say now let me they give. I want verse. Human, why they call us human? Because our heart is somehow different. Generally they verse because say they give una now they pull back, now they give them. So we need to grow up black. If they pay me well. So my brother, those your children for now, nobody can help you. If it's not like go search. You don't get a lawyer, we go take. You don't get money, we go donate for you, take lawyer. They not go give you those children. The only way they will give you those children, now when you don't they work. You and your wife, find lawyer for your wife, make wife more for prison. May you and your wife go find work. I pray may they leave the woman. You and your wife will go and look for a job. That is the one thing that will help you. Look for a job. Even though it's not a black job, go find. So that if you have a job, they will give you back your children. Because they know now you are capable to take off your children. So my advice here, if you are a parent in Germany, you don't have document yet, you don't want picking, stop there first. Stop there first. Don't let the money they die for your heart. How can you have money? You are having the money, the kids are not with you. I don't feel stay when I will sleep one night, I don't go see my children in my bed. Even though they're not in my room, I don't go hear their voice. You don't say they give me a headache. And they shout for them every day. I don't know how I will feel even live. So my children mean a lot of things to me. That's why I'm suffering today. And they suffer every time I say the work, I don't feel live. I wish I be single girl. If I don't even work. I suffer put my wallet for one man neck. If I feel do 2 hours, I keep my €100. And give me journal, I put journal. But because of my children, I need to work. Not because of only me. For day two, may I feel get respect tomorrow. May any man not come my house, come collect my children. Yeah, my sister, I understand. Yeah, many socials. Yeah, my sister, see. That's why we always pray for good people. Thank you for your message. I'll be my brother. Thank you. That's why we need to pray for good people. So when I came to this country, I was not having documents. But I always stated I want to work. I bring out my document in Italy. The one I used to work in Italy before. Many of us, we have documents before we come to any country. Me, I was having documents. So when I come, I will submit my document in this country. I told them, can I work with my sojourner? They said no. I told the social, I'm looking for work. Look at all my boosters, all my fish they pay, all my salary, this thing I'll be collecting. I want to work. Because if you as a person, you don't disturb social, when you are disturbing them, they will get one mind, say this one, because we both like who they work. Who. Yeah, if you are going to school, because somebody told me, I don't live in Germany. My brother, I live in France. You understand? So many people told me that if you are going to school, those things can still help you too. Because they say many people say they don't know how to speak the language. And that's one thing Oyibo hates. Oyibo don't like say you are living in their country, you cannot speak their language. When I came here, one day I was speaking English. The matter of if I want to speak English, I should go to London. I was ashamed. I tell her, I said, no problem. I said, okay, don't worry. He said I should come outside. I said, okay, you people know this our state now. I said, okay. I began to speak my Italy with French. If you know me that time, most of you that know me that time, my friend said they laughed me. She said, blessing, all the things you have been saying since is Italy. When I go speak my French, I will mix am with Italy self. But it doesn't matter. Today, I am not perfect, but I feel they communicate with them. So most people in Germany, they don't speak in Germany. They don't go to school. So but somebody told me that if you have whether a behind, Sabine a BD, I don't know, you can use to work. So Germany is even good. Yeah, now we used to go to school. But if you go to school, that you not use and work for you. You understand? The only work can work for you in a black job, or you look for somebody's document to work. So my brother, the problem in Germany, the women are not working. They depend on government money. And when I go for research, go say Germany people not like her. That's why they said Germany mothers should go back to work. And when you see all those people that have been collecting their children, if they go fit come take testimony, if they can come to my page, or will fit do video call, or any presenter go fit join me for this thing, let us ask those people if they are really working. You go see say many of them, they are not working. Even the man where they give their belly, they work. So Germany now they ask question, you as a parent, you are not working. How can you take care of your children? Then make many of us not go school for Nigeria. So Germany people are not they blame them, eh? So because you that want to have baby, you need to be ready. Now me they carry my 4 children, they go. If I'm not working, who want to take care of them for me? I'm not going to cry for government house, me they give money for my children. Now me born them. Now me when the man they come, I say, yeah, put on, I go. I don't say Peking will come. Let's do it. So when the children come, I must be ready to take their responsibility. Even though say government go help me, but now small government go give me. Now me go do more. That's why Germany is hungry, because people are putting all your load in Germany people's head. You have 5 kids, they are paying like 2,000 or 1,500. You don't work. You take that money for 5 years, 6 years, 7 years. You think they are happy? Oh, you both they jealous. When I born my first baby, my second child was born 2015. So my son need to complete 3 years. My social when they come my house, because then they just need to give me this house 2014. So the woman told me that they will still cut your money now because your son will be 3 years. And you know that this is our money. This money they are paying you people is our money. Now I tell the woman, I say, madam, not I say, thank you, pa, don't worry. Me too, I will work. And I believe that's what I told her. I said, my money said that we used to pay people. So don't worry yourself because the government are giving. They tried. She told me that because when I see the woman, I'm not calling her racist to that bad person. She told me that they're going to stop the money because my son will complete 3 years. So me know that it's their own money, not your own money, now they pay us. So they will cut my money. So me I go find work, eh? If not, so it go hard. I look the woman, I say, don't worry. I can't find work. Even when I find work, I can't mark, because here we get with the mark every month. Those of you that live in France, you know it, that's full employed that time. I used to mark, me and I be their friend. And they go there every day, they find work. You know, in life, you must be serious. So they all those things, they work together. Where did they find work? Where did they find paper? Government house. Where did they pay una? Social. People don't know all those things, they work together, they communicate together. So when they not see you for 1 year or 6 months, they know you're not a serious person. That you depend on them. So my message here for Germany women, if you wanted to stop taking your child, is for you to go and get a job. Go and work. Easy, go and look it. Put it in Google. Why Germany are taking kids from women? Why Germany are taking children from their mothers? Go explain to you. But again, one seat when I come press later, it said Germany mothers should go back to work, but they can't block and they put key. You understand? They put key, me I don't feel go far to see what's inside. So when you are coming out, you should ask yourself those questions. If you are not working in Germany, they go collect your picky for your hands. Because they said they don't want children to be born in poverty. They don't want me children, because now they born many of us put. Now many of us not go school. Mama go born 5 children, go born 6 children, nobody go school. We leave school for each other. My senior sister live for my senior sister live for my brother. My brother live for my sister. We'll be 5. My sister can't live for this one with senior, my immediate sister. My immediate sister can't live for me. Now me even come small pass. Now me can't even go past the secondary school. Which kind of life be that one? That is not life. So me, I not pray to they say my children go live for each other. Me not go university. I never went to university. I was a secondary school dropout, and I pay me well. I don't there 15 years. I they go school, I they work for pull office. Me I they find money till they buy small book for school. Till they go lesson for myself because my mother don't have that money to take care of me. So at my 15 years, I don't they work for pull office. What do they do? Hey, 1 door cut, 2 door cut. Now those kind of life we want to make our children live for Europe. That is not the life we want our children to live. Oyibo know all those things. That's why Oyibo, they are very wise. I said it before, I don't want to train. I will train my children in a black way for marriage somehow, for them to know tradition, make them not cheat. But I will teach my children in the second way for them to be wise like a white person. Because Oyibo, they see future. Oyibo knows that many of you in Germany are going to have nuisance children. I'm sorry to say that. Because if you are a parent, you are not working, what did you have to give to your child? You have nothing. So they have to take the child from you and give the family that can take care of them. There are many people who know one born, but they get the money to take care of your children. So if you want the government to stop taking your children from you, you need to go and work, even in order for you to spend 10 hours for work. It don't matter. You are not doing it for anybody. You are doing it for the life of your children so that they can be secure in this country. Now maybe they do 35 hours. Sometimes I go do pass safe. If I come out and say my body they pain me, I'll use bed tie waist. Then I know say God is my strength. God knows say if I be single, I be alone, I don't get picking. I go fit do one by myself. I don't go stay house. I don't go do that kind of hours. But I'm doing it for the future of my children. And it go even help them tomorrow. So that's why as a parent, you must deposit for them. You must give government something. Not for only them to be giving you. My brother, so please, that video I watched it pains me. What you need now, those are children, you cannot take them. Even though people want to help you, platform want to help you, my platform is small. We never sabi all those things. But I believe that there are still big platforms out there that can help you. They should help you for maybe paying, donate money for you to get lawyer for your wife. Because your wife, I don't see what you do. She not care anybody. You understand? To bring your wife out, not your children yet. Those your children, just leave them first. Because they are not going to give you those children. They're not going to give you, my brother. Because if you know they work, they don't give you children. Because you don't get the moyen. Francis say moyen. That's the money or the power, the small thing you take care of those children. You not fit. Me when they carry for children, they say not easy. If I do shopping, I dey sweat like this. I dey sweat. That's not a salary. I dey sweat. I need to do economic first to buy clothes for 4 children. So what are we talking? So it's not easy. So leave your children first. Look for a lawyer. That's my advice for you, my brother. Look for a lawyer to bring your wife out. When your wife come out, make una go look for work. People don't say na 1 year. I don't say they pain. I am a mother. You understand? I feel your pain, my brother. I'm not a father, but I'm a mother. I be like papa. I be like mama. You understand? And me and God to take care of my children. I feel your pain. God will give you the strength for you to be strong for your children first. But try to get your wife out from that place. And you and your wife to go and get a job. Now so Germany talking. So when you still work, now go take lawyer. Even though say you start for 3 months or 2 months, you work for 3 months. Without your fish, the pay. What do they call it in English, chef? Your payment slip. Your payment slip. Now that one I will carry go me lawyer, una will take go fight the government. Government will give on our children because why? Una they join the economic. And they know now you are capable to take off your children. You they do 30 hours, your wife do that. That's 60 hours per week. So with that money when they receive, you go fit take off on our 2 children. You understand? Now make Oyibo before they born. I felt like before you marry man, you need to know how much the man they receive. You too as a woman, you must know how much they receive. Now all those things they make una go. So then when I want to ask for something, I say how much should I say 4 children? They will look my salary. They'll say, madam, you know, say your salary, now they carry 4 children. I say, I don't born them before I start work already. I wish now they born. I not go born reach 4. Because my salary said no carry the 4 children. I'm telling you guys, me know they lie for this my platform. I always tell you guys the truth. You understand? My money I'm working, you know they carry my 4 children. I'm telling you guys, but I know that one day God will do more. But they said start for somewhere first. My money that I'm receiving, it's not be saying at 1,000, it pass more than 1,000. It pass 1,500. But you know they rich. If we want really do enjoyment, we want really do what they enjoy. It pass. As in the money not they reach 4 children. But what we go do? We go try to manage. Can't take off mama, can't take off papa. We can't listen. I know they back like the way I did buy before. And they try to do. There is always a season for everything in my life since I have my children. So you as a father or mother, so my brother, you need to go and work. So when I go somewhere, go ask for something, say I want to buy this, I say, madam, your 4 children, this is salary, you know they carry 4 children. So I want to do this thing for you. I say, I don't born them. Look the day when I born them, the year when I born them, and when I start work. I say, but if they give me more hours, sometimes they do more hours, so I will still get extra. Because say, okay, maybe we do one like this. So Germany, they said, you living in Germany, you guys must work. So if you are a single mom, you are papa and mama, you never married, just living together, you guys are not working, you wait for government money, they will pay your husband, they will pay your wife, you are in trouble. The life of your children is not secure. That's what they said. They will collect the children because why? You are not capable to take care of those children. You are not a better parents. You know a better papa. You know a better mama. That's how they talk. Even yes, France, if you not declare papa money when papa they give pikin, you are in trouble. That's how France be. Because as a father, you must take off your children. You know if you born pikin when you not fit train, they will not live like Africa life. Or you don't know all those things. You cannot have a kids that you cannot train. So for Germany, if you don't have document, only one pikin when you born, they give you just hold that one first. I gotta tell you the truth. That's the truth I will tell you. The way my girlfriend do one many years ago. That was 2010. Maybe she go not born now. She said, blessing, I don't get document. I don't feel work. Me, I go work first, get document before I go born to my pikin. So you need to be wise. Don't look at the money, because the money go fit die for your hair. You go enter trouble. So if you have one child, you don't born one, maybe you carry belle enter Germany. You carry belle enter Germany and you never get document. That one pikin when you get, hold on first. Try make you get documents. Because only that one, they no go fit collect am for your hand. Because if they don't say only that one, you go fit survive. But the day they had another one join now, where you never work, you not get document, you not get anything, you not get work, you not get paper. You not even get that school when they call when I MB. I don't know. Me, I know the Germany. What they call them? 1B, I be 1C they call them for. Yeah, those one not they exist for yeah. We they go that one for maybe we want get passport, we want to get 10 years card. We know they use that one till they go school for yeah. So if you can get all those things, you can use it to work. Those one too go fit help you. Then if you they work, you go fit born join your pikin. But no born pass yourself. Like the story I hear, woman that have 5 kids when they collect the 5 children. How come they collect the 5 children? Matter you work. Because if they work, government will collect. If you don't say now 1,000 they collect every month, government will collect your children for you. Because you are a good parents, you they work. So now waiting I want to make the reason for that. You understand? He said because it's a poor kids have few friends. So Germany believe say if a child come for poor home, if they get small friends, and not true they talk. One will not get more that we know they follow our friends, don't they follow us? So one will go that big house. You know, in Nigeria they see all those kind of white house when their family they abroad. We were there one kind poor. If you see my grandmother house, not me say dirty, but very fine. But now what kind of those zinc house now we dey family house now. So those somewhere they are both their mama don't buy, their mama quick make money for Africa. Their grandmother get money, their mama they abroad. All those abroad we don't enter abroad. They don't want to play with us. They don't play with us. So they say they form. That's why we they beat them. Or what beat them because we hungry. We are hungry lion. We go say what is the better pass us because we not get money. So they make us they hungry. So as a parents, you need to try your best. That they talk so if we can go better for this Europe, now parents hand the day. So Germany no want me they get those nuisance for country. Now make that they collect those children because they know that you both of you cannot give those children a good life. And when a child don't have a good life, the child is forced to do all things by all means to do nonsense. The way I talk about my country here. If you come my area, you go see that place now. Many children they sell market. They don't even because they want to destroy the area and they don't go front now. Their father and mother at their house. Police go arrest them. Their mother they sleep for his house. Because their parents did not plan for them. So when you are not working, you don't have a good future for your children. I'm telling you the truth. So you as a mother, you need to work. Because when you work, you show good example to your children. They go grow up to know that my mother was working. Why not go work? I don't tell my son, he say, yes, I'm going to work. I say 70 years, go and work. Even though say McDonald's, go work for there. But we'll talk about that some other time. Even though say McDonald's, go work. Even though say now where they do telephone call, all those say Buick, all those phone, all those internet, this thing. People now they pick their corner. Go work for there. At 70 years in France, 16 years, you can work. You go to work, you go to go school. That one don't determine say you frustrate or you're not better. That one is just for you to be busy for now. Before you go reach your normal age, come enter invest, you can't get sense, can't work what you like to be a daughter. I do many work when I did in Nigeria. But it not change my destiny. I don't see enter the Europe today. So as a parent, you need to plan your children's life. So when you are a working class woman, it helps your children. It helps them a lot. And it give you respect. When you go government house, go meet them. When you they talk, they respect you. Not because you be black or because you be Arab. They respect you because you they are people among where they give the way they had money join their money. You they are where they make the economy they grow. In my side, they collect 300 something euro for my money every month and they pay me. But I will see them and say, before, now people fair give me. Now people money, now they fair they give me before. So all those people they saw see cry put. So why would they cry now? But when government write me that me I not worry, say if I want to enter my pension anytime, they will give me back my money. I can't be happy, I can't get peace. I did not worry again. Because it make me to know that government, they really know, say, person like me did this country, where they contribute for the economic. So you cannot live in a country where you don't help them. You cannot live in a country where you don't give them. Let's make Germany, they hungry for we Nigerians. You understand? They hungry for we Nigerians where they there. And Nigerian people, they don't want to use their own brain. Waka waka up and down, go do shopping. All the old boutique when they Germany, their leg don't finish for inside. Money go reach, you know, go work. They look una. Where they find work, you know, go. Eh? Where they find work, you know, go. So you know those things. And every year they born pikin. Where the money want to take care of the children? Where is the money? Now that's why they look. Where is the money? Where is the money? So my brother, I will stop now for this message. So my message here go for people in Germany. Mostly my beautiful single mom. If you know say you don't get document for Germany, I beg go look for work. If you get more than 2 children or 3 children, go look for work. If you know they work, one day they go knock for your door. Even the people that they deport in Germany, most of them, because most of them know they find work. I say even those in a black job they do. If you get better social, you tell and say, social, I they do black job, but I never see document, but I they find documents. Any miss day when I fit get any document they work. If the person even here, because you like who they work, or you like people where they work, you don't like lazy people. Or you not be say what would the Africa with the hustle? Even before we go to Germany or France or anywhere with the hustle, why be say we call this one country? We say we're not the hustle again. We need to wake up. We need to wake up. So if you will tell your boss say I do black job and I need document to work, some of them go help you tell you how you take the document to work. So if you have one child that you don't have document yet, no carry another belly. I beg you, no carry another belly. Even if your boyfriend they come, prevent yourself so that they will not take that baby and the second one for your hand, because they know that you cannot take care of them. That is just it. So if they go. So if you have documents, you are a single mom, I beg go work. Even though you not fit do this 30 hours when they talk, for example, do small hours when you know if you do. That one still go physically cover you small. You need to work to cover yourself, to take those people's eyes away from you. Now that's what we pray for. Work, and it will even help you for tomorrow. It will help you. Not be now you go to look. Many people go hold for this country, they don't get pension. You understand? Many people don't get, even though you don't work the 60 years complete or 60. I want 60 years complete. I'm not fit do that one. I'm not fit do 60 years complete for this country now. But even though now 400 they give me, I can't go my country. 400, you don't, if you reach Nigeria, it don't big already. You understand? It don't big. So don't be everybody go get pension for this abroad with this. So I not get pension for Nigeria when I for bomb me. And abroad when I still come with small age, I know still get pension. What it can happen? What they can even do for the abroad safe? So I need to get my own pension for this my own country when I did so, because I hear now when the life I will spend for Nigeria, so now I don't even spend much life of my age. Okay, but I say half for Nigeria, half for year. Okay, so now I can't even grow to become a woman. Now I can't grow, can't walk where. So now I need to get my own pension for year. So what you are doing today, I know it's hard to wake up in the morning, not easy. If I go, I go to cry safe. Wait, mostly when winter come, but no look now, look tomorrow, and look for the children, the future of your children. It go still help the way they enter university. All those money where they contribute tomorrow, they go still pay your children back tomorrow. When they don't enter university for this country, they go still support them. Maybe your children want carry house now. Government go say they pay them for house rent because of what you don't see contribute for this country. Now your money they say they pay students. Now your money they say they pay mothers when they born, when they never get document, when they never work. So when your pikin see enter school, those people you constantly hold now other people money they will say they pay for your children. You know they lose, you know they waste time. Now give me I give I give. That's what it be. You understand? So don't let anything where they give, they pay you. Say I not fit work. Not me go help government. My dear, if you not help, don't go help. So work for the future of your children. Work for yourself as well. That will give you a good name. When government go know you for something. Say this person they work, it contribute for our country. I'm telling you the truth. So if you are a single mom in Germany, I beg you for you to secure the life of your children is for you to go and work. Go work, and it will help your children. And my brother, I pray that God should give you the peace I said before. If there's any way that anybody can see any platform that is bigger than this, they can still assist you. May they help you get lawyer for your wife. When your wife come out, may you not go look for job. When you don't work, now only that place you not fit collect on your children. So you don't get any lawyer when you go take now, when go fit help you for your children. Like they will give you. So if you are a woman before they have taken your children away from you before and you have documents, fast now go look for work so that you can collect your children back. If you work after 3 months, this thing, so they put up for you. After 3 months payment, you'll go find lawyer. With that 3 months payment, now when I go meet judge, it go take time, and a process. But because of that one, they can have pity on you and give you your kids back. Your children not lost. Your children they're not waste. They're not lost. They're not said. They're not kidding. But you can get your children back when you are working. But if you are not working, you refuse to be a good parent to your children. So that's the only way I can share for you guys. So thank you for watching and God bless you. I hope this message can still help each and every one of us. It's not a message to hurt you. It's not a message to make somebody to be hungry. But let's be realistic. Let's say the truth. Because the truth is the only truth that can set us free. So if you live in Germany, go for more research. Go for research. And if you are going to any country, go tell you something. If it does not be us, similar things will go help you tomorrow. So when my followers send me this video, they talk about, I will not beg you send me talk about this thing. As I don't want to talk about it because those things don't concern me. But when I see this man, I pity for him. I decided to go for more research to find it. I never even go before because that Germany matter not the two. They flink me like that. So I don't want to talk about it because not the way I did. I not doing anything. But when I go for research, now what I see now share for now so. Say the Germany said Germany mothers should go back to work because Germany mothers they are not working. They had the money when they pay them. They are not working. So those things they make Germany they angry. And people are bringing the economy down. Imagine say 10% that they work. 1,000 people not they work. How did this thing go up? The economy go down because nobody they put. But when 10 not they work, 2,000 they work. 10 not they work. The economy they high. The money go even they rich. Go see they remain. So they are fighting for their own future now. For the children to come, make them not suffer. So person not feel destroy their own country for them because you don't want to give children. They don't want children. Germany don't want baby. They don't want children. Not because they find no. Having baby and be ready to take care of them. That's what they want. Don't let people say Germany they fight Pekin no. Germany like children. Oyibo like children. I tell you, I believe you that one. Oyibo like children. They don't they born. Therefore born this 30 said born pass with black. They don't like because they know that they don't have money. They don't want to carry too much as a responsibility. So I brought 7 picking for cost pass. So born as many that you can take off. And when you are having kids, born the one way in your pocket go feel rich. So if you get one picking, you not get document, you need to go and work first before you have join picking. That's just it. So we need to be wise and guided. Okay? We learn for all those things. So please, people out there in Germany, if you have documents, it's better you should go and work. So that you can protect your children, they will not take your children away from you. And if you don't know something, maybe you don't feel ask person, go for Google. You understand? Go for research. It's very good. Everybody they help us now. Me not feel go school again, and that go if I enter my bed now, Google now they give me. You understand? Or look for somebody who doesn't take for that country. We go physically explain to you small. Nobody's perfect. Me not perfect. What if they tell you una so? I don't get off my head now. Go now give me. So me I will not have some I will have some wisdom to it. We go feel help everybody. So Germany said you must work. If you are a single mom, you must do at least, or single parents, you must do at least 30 hours in a week. So make una think what I tell una. If una they work for Germany, I don't think they will collect una children for una hand for Germany. Thank you everybody and God bless you for listening. Thank you my brother. You understand? Yeah. Yeah, if the example say they go school, that school, yes. A friend told me that if you are going to school, you say they save them. And most of them don't know how to speak their language. So go to school and learn language. Because language is very important. You cannot be in a country that you cannot communicate with them. They made a verse too. So when you are living in a country, you must learn how to speak that. Even though the language is not correct. Because what we call the pidgin English, they speak for the language. Speak on. When you speak, they made that they laugh. But it made them know, say, you want to learn. Because nobody is perfect. I said, when I came to this country, how if you see my French, my French na Italy. When I go speak my French, I go miss out with Italy. My friend say, you know, say everything they talk is not French, not be French. Now Italy, I say, but they understand now. I go say yes. It don't finish. If they can understand me, it's okay. Io and moi are the same now. Io, moi, io va là-bas, io va là. I go speak for Francais, speak for Italy. I go miss out. But important, French don't want to speak that English. Speak anyhow you want. So that's what Germany be. So you must go to school and speak their language. Now their language they give them joy to know that you are really enjoying their country. So if you don't speak their language, it's like you don't like the country. So why are you here? You understand? So it's very important. Okay? And let your children speak the language as well. So please, my people out there in Germany, I feel your pain. If you are not working today, I want you to get a job. Go and work. If you don't have document that you must go to school and get, if you can go to school and have those the what do they call it? When I stand, they call I don't know those B or C or D. Go and get it. Even though it's not 2 years, go and get them. You understand? When you get them, you go feel use and work and so they talk. You know they waste time. You are doing it for the future of your children. You understand? So that you can secure your home. Okay? So when you work, it's hard for government to come carry your children. Now, me tell you, it dey everywhere, except maybe you are a useless mother. You dey drink, you dey carry alcohol, you dey beat your children. You understand? Even though say you lock your children for side, you go work safe. Government no go even collect your pikin. You go see express say, one call dem no gree come. Now make me even leave them for inside house. Government no go still collect your children for your hand because they know say you no go do rubbish. Now work you go. They will still carry your children give, but they say okay, next time fine you go do them. They will not still collect your kids for you. I'm telling you, it's not a baby. It's not baby. It's not momo. So they will still leave you. I'm telling you guys the truth. They will still leave you because say now work you go. Or you both believe in job. They believe in work because that thing that they give them, that they make the economy they grow. If you know the work, me know the work, how the country go take better? It don't die. We for not even see the Europe enter. So we both suffer for this country to make it grow. So we black people say we come, we need to join them to make it grow more. So me and our children for still take the benefit when they come. So that made Germany they avoid those things. So I not blame them. I cannot come here and curse them because they don't put up for Google say see what they want. So if you come their country, you must obey to their rules. If you don't want to obey, you leave. Don't have baby there. When you born one, you never see work, you never get document, not born again. You hold your body now. Say for you born, I not get document, get 5 children, 6 children, 7 children, you not get document. Waiting. Hey? Wow, okay, my people. I'm going on. Let me leave you guys. So my brother, please look for. I pray that God should give you the heart. So lawyer, may go help your wife come out. If your wife come out, make una look for work. If you get work, now only that one you go carry your children. If you know they work, my brother, you go take lawyer. You're going to waste that money. That money will be useless. They're not going to give your children. They're not going to even marry you. You go even pray. They're not put you for prison too. You understand? You even pray. Say they don't arrest you now. Yes. So you go and look for a job. If find someone how to bring your wife out of that prison. You want your wife to go and get a job so that you can fight for your children. Now leave that place. If una dey work, judge no go reject una. Judge go give una children back. Now me tell una. Yes, of course. Thank you everyone for watching and God bless you and have a wonderful day. See you guys on Sunday for Mother's Day celebration in France. So Mother's Day don't pass on Nigeria, but on Sunday 7th June is a Mother's Day in France. So we're going to celebrate it because a day. So we're going to celebrate it to wish Happy Mother's Day to all mothers in the world, all mothers in France, and those of you who had it. Thank you everyone and stay blessed and bye.